Hi everyone, I'm Hannah from Full Leaf Tea Company, and today we're going to be talking about a couple different ways that you can make loose leaf tea. First off, I want to show you the difference between loose leaf tea and a traditional tea bag. So traditional tea bags are actually filled with tea leaves that have been crushed and broken down into really fine pieces. So when you cut open the tea bag, it's almost just dust inside. In comparison, this is loose leaf tea. Loose leaf tea is made with higher quality tea leaves, so when you steep them, they actually unfurl to have a much more fresh and bold flavor. Because loose leaf tea doesn't come pre-packaged in tea bags, you're going to need some sort of infuser or strainer to make it. So here are a couple different examples of infusers that we offer. First off, I want to show you the Full Leaf Signature Leaf Infuser. It has a silicone top and a metal base. You're going to pop off the top and then scoop 1 teaspoon of tea into the metal basket. Then all you have to do is take the top and press it back into the base. It fits in super easy. And then you're going to place this inside your mug and pour in about 8 ounces of hot water. And then you're going to steep the tea for the recommended amount of time. If you're not sure how long to steep your tea for, you can tell by looking on the side of your tea tin or on the front label of the bag. It'll say steep time, and that's how you know how long to steep it. Once the tea is done, go ahead and remove the infuser from the cup and set it on the little stand that it comes with. When you're ready for another cup of tea, you can grab the infuser, again using the same tea leaves, and get about 2 or 3 more cups of tea out of that same batch of tea leaves. Next up, I want to show you our natural paper drawstring tea bags. These are my personal favorite because they're so convenient and easy to use. You can take them with you anywhere. So all you have to do is open the bag and then scoop in 1 teaspoon of tea. Then you're going to pull the drawstring shut and put it inside your mug, pouring in 8 ounces of hot water over it. Let it steep for the recommended amount of time, and then you're going to remove the tea bag and set it aside on a saucer. You can then use the same tea bag to make 2 or 3 more cups of tea. Lastly, I want to show you our glass infuser teapot. The infuser is actually built into the teapot. So how this works is you're going to remove the lid from the teapot and then place 2 to 3 teaspoons of tea inside the metal basket. Pour in hot water over the tea leaves until the teapot is full, then place the lid back on the pot and let it steep for the recommended amount of time. Once it's done, you can remove the lid and set it aside. Then you're going to carefully remove the infuser, and when you do this, you're also removing all of the tea leaves. Then you can place the lid back on and the tea is ready to serve. Thanks so much for watching this video on different ways to make loose leaf tea. If you have any questions, please go ahead and leave them in the comments below, or you can reach out to us at customers@fullleafteacompany.com. Thanks so much and have a wonderful day.